Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to make the simple fan. For this sample, I am using an 11 by 17 size paper. For my collection, I use glossy white poster board, a Cricut cutting machine, and extra fine point pens. We'll begin by measuring a rectangle that is 13 inches by 6.5 inches. Then cut it out. Next, divide the long side in half to find the center. So 6.5 inches, half, that give us 3.25 inch. Now, divide the short side in two, and then in two again. That give us 4 equal sections of 3.25 each. These reference lines will help us form the rounded ends of the fan. At the point where the 3.25 inch line intersects our center guideline, draw a 3.25 inch diameter circle. You may draw the entire circle or only the half that you need. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Cut along the curved lines to create the rounded ends of the fan. I made my sample using a Cricut machine, but you can easily cut it by hand with scissors or a craft knife if you prefer. Next, we'll create the opening for the handle. From the center, measure 1/2 inch to each side and cut the small slot for the stick. Since this sample is made from paper, use gentle pressure when scoring. If you are using thicker poster board, you can score it with your preferred tool before folding. Now, position the wooden stick where you would like it to sit. On my sample, I place it approximately 4.25 inches from the rounded end, but you can adjust the position until it feels balanced and comfortable to hold. Insert the stick, aligning it with the slot you just created, and secure it with tape. If you are using a thicker poster board, I recommend using a stronger tape or adhesive for added durability. And that's it. Now you have your simple fan. For my samples, I'm using artwork from my collections, Gracias a Dios and Grateful with God. But you can decorate your fan with your own artwork, school logos, event graphics, business branding, or any design you like. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy creating your own simple fan. You can download the free templates, SVG files, material recommendations, and complete project details using the links below. See you next time. Bye.